Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Talk Show Dream Talk 101. So today we are going to be looking at dream about purple. Dream about purple. We will try as much as possible to look at various dreams in which connote purple and their meanings. First of all, purple, seeing purple in dreams actually is a good sign. That is one, because purple itself spiritually signifies joy, prosperity, good things of life. Good things of life that is awaiting you. But still, we can still have some other dreams that are still associated with illness, delay in progress, loss, anxiety, failure, and bondages. You get. So just as we can also, but basically, in dreams whereby you see purple, you get, it signifies that good things are actually on the way. That is most dreams that we have purple in them, or good, that they signify goodness to come. Then probably in your dream, you're in a dream whereby you are eating unripe purple. Unripe purple, actually, this instance means you might experience some form of failure in your waking life. You get, and this particular failure is because of steps that you have taken. You get, probably decisions that you have made from the past, which actually wrong decisions. You get, that is actually the reason why you are going to face such failures. You get, so basically the dream is actually a warning. You get, so at that particular instance, once you wake up, you have to be conscious of the kind of decisions you make. You have to wake up and you have to actually pray for spirit of discernment. You get, because any careless decisions you make might lead to a lot of issues in your waking life. You get, so you seek the face of God, you pray for spirit of discernment, for the spirit of wisdom, for the wisdom of God to be bestowed upon you, to be able to decide, to make decisions that will affect you positively, not negatively. Then in another dreams about purple, you can dream whereby someone gives you a rotten purple, a purple that is not good again. You see that someone give you. This actually means someone is trying to corrupt your mind. That is actually a corrupted mind. You get, someone is trying to to influence you badly. You get, so this is actually a kind of a warning also, for you to be conscious of the kind of people around you, the kind of advice you take from your friends, from your colleagues. You have to be conscious of the kind of advice you take from them. And also, just like the first one, you have to also pray for God's wisdom, to be able to manage the kind of people around you, so that you know who to take advice from and who not to take advice from. You get, and for that consciousness, for that spirit of God to be in you, to be conscious of the people around you, so that they will not influence you badly. Then in another dream, you see yourself giving someone purple. You see yourself giving someone purple. This dreams means that you want to make someone happy. You want to bring happiness to the life of someone. Want to bring joy to the life of someone. You get, so that's actually what that particular one means. Then in another dream, you see yourself plugging ripe purple. This means you will succeed in your plan. You get, probably you will succeed in your endeavor. What you plan to do, you are actually going to succeed in it, because you plugging ripe purple signify joy and happiness in working life. You get, it's right, joy and happiness in working life. So as we pray against bad dreams, you get, for that dream not to come to reality, we also pray for the good ones we have to also come to reality in our working life. So you dreaming and see that, okay, this one is good, you don't feel relaxed, you don't relax, you still wake up, you pray for that particular dream to come, because as we have seen it, that is how, just as we work against bad dreams, that is how the enemy also will try as much as possible to work against our good dreams, for it not to come to reality. So whenever we wake up from good dreams, we should try as much as possible to pray, because it is one thing to dream and it's another for that particular dream to come to reality. Okay, so that once you anytime any dream at all you dream, once you wake up from such dreams, you have to pray and put it in God into God's hands for that particular dream to come to reality. Then in another instance now, rotting pawpaw actually can also mean financial losing, loss also can also mean financial loss also. Then in a dream whereby you see pawpaw tree following each other, probably you see pawpaw tree, you are just walking on a valley and you see pawpaw tree following each other. This dream indicates, it's an indication of good things. It's an indication of good things to come. It refers to monetary gain, as also it signifies purchase of big things in life. You get, so basically that is really a good dream. So once you pray, you have to, once you wake up, you dedicate the dream into God's hands, and also for God to see you through that particular dream come to reality. Then in another dream you see a big pawpaw. This one can be ripe or unripe. You get, you just see a very big pawpaw. This means that the problem at your life is going to end. You get, which is to say the end result of your present situation is going to be a success. You get, which means there is light at the end of the tunnel, which is to say that there is light at the end of the tunnel, that there is going to be a great success at the end of the tunnel. So this is actually the best we can go for our dream explanation concerning pawpaw. So if you have any other dreams that we have not actually mentioned here, you can drop that particular dream on our comment section, and we will try as much as possible to attend to it. And for more of this video, you can subscribe to our channels, and you can also like and share our videos. Thank you, and God bless you.